if you see carefully, this r can bring down. This is actually linear. Don't get it fooled. Don't get fooled by this. R4 n plus 1. This is r on 3. Let's speed it up now. I would suggest that if you see a constant ln 3, just bring it out. Just because it's ln 3, it looks complicated. It's just another number, okay? Just do it. And then we have got ln 3. 4 plus 5. One same thing. Okay. 1 AP number of terms. Common ratio here, be careful. This one is actually multiplied by 5 minus 1. This is actually just... This case here will be number of terms. On 3. N minus 2 over 2. 4 plus first term plus last term. Okay. So first term, last term. GP on the other hand, A, which is 5 minus 4, R n minus 2 minus 1, 5 minus 4. So GP formula as NOT lah. So once done, what you get is ln 3 5 minus 4, 5. Mm-hmm. 5 times 1, 2, 5 times. There you go.